How you doing, Will?
Hey, Will. I just installed this bay window. There were two windows here, and I tore them out and I reduced the opening a little bit. Got a beautiful view of the front yard. And Will has a little sun seat. He loves sitting here in the sun, staring at the cars going by, just in case another dog goes by, I guess. But it's not very comfortable. It's just a hard seat board right now. So I want to measure this space for a cushion. Cut a piece of foam rubber, then I'll have it upholstered. But measuring, okay, well, here, go play. So to take an inside measurement is challenging because when you bend the tape, there's no way to know exactly what that distance is, especially when the dog steps on the tape. Okay, so when you bend it like that, like what is that? 71 1/4, 71 5/16, 3/8? I don't know what it is. So here's the trick. Take a binder clip and a credit card, or in this case, I'm using one of those shopper's cards from a supermarket, and clamp it to the tape with the card on the bottom, right around there. What you want to do is then take the measurement. What you can do is just slide the card right up against there, just like that. And then you just read where the card crosses the tape measure. That is 71 3/8. So that's one way to do it. Here's another way. This is a way I've been taking inside measurements lately, and I kind of like this system too. It's just as accurate, and you don't need a credit card or a binder clip. So what you do is measure across maybe 3/4 of the way or so across the surface, and make a mark at a whole number. In this case, let's do 50. Nice whole number. Right there, make a mark at 50. Then just measure from the opposite direction and add it up. So 50 and 21 3/8, 71 3/8. Right on the mark.
Do you know the difference between a drill driver and an impact driver, Will? Well, yes. Impact drivers are tastier.
They're tastier, very tasty. Okay, good boy.